Good afternoon, I'm Pema reporting for Bhutan Today News. Today we have the privilege of being here at an innovative event of Bhutan's journey towards empowering women leaders in entrepreneurship. The Bhutan Association of Women Entrepreneurs has organized a workshop titled Empowering Women Leaders Via Entrepreneurship, featuring entrepreneurs Stacey Edgar, promoting economic empowerment, self-reliance and sustainable development among Bhutanese women leadership. Event centered on addressing and overcoming the challenges faced by women entrepreneurs. Edgar offered valuable insights and practical solutions, equipping attendees with the tools necessary to navigate and succeed in the entrepreneurial landscape. The workshop attracted a significant number of prominent BAOWE members and other related entrepreneurs, fostering engaging discussions and the exchange of practical advice aimed at advancing the entrepreneurial ventures. This initiative by BAOWE underscores its commitment to supporting and empowering women in the business sector, contributing to growth and success of female-led enterprises in Bhutan.
I think people think of Bhutan, they think of gross national happiness and they know it's a beautiful place, but people don't know enough about all the wonderful things happening here in Bhutan, about the entrepreneurship movement and some of the products we heard about today. So I think, developing websites, news media, getting things out on YouTube so that the world knows a little more about Bhutan, and then logistically working together collaboratively to do collaborative shipping of products. I think logistics is a problem everywhere. Shipping is expensive, and but there's ways to overcome it in collaboration and cooperation.
We have 18,000 members across Bhutan, but the volumes of the volumes of produce that we have right now, it needs to expand, exponentially expand, and only when we expand that volumes will we be able to bring in professional help, and we can do a much more professional job. Because now we're not looking at just making something, putting in a packet and selling it in a, in some of our stores. Stores are so kind; they do, help to sell the homemade foods and homemade things like that. But we need to now take what we have and really grow, and only then will we do justice.
마치기 동린스로 다 마치 성라비위 강내 동린디 다우마토 레셔라도 시슈게라 데 인디르비로 땡아치라 감치 동린 톱티비로 꼬마자베 데 아치랑기 베수키 베와친 데데 아치치 리중데라 조도 좀 소메 시슈게라 다디다도 베다링아 치나기 게임디기 땡아치라기 다리기 레림기 게임디기 아텔로 모라야 암수부수 집에 디기날레 모라야 총델 집에 간래 모라기 가디비 고추이가 동네 가디비 주의가 모기 나치랄로 숨미디 땡아치게 리중데라 하고이 땡아치야 가dim지 동네 논디 비롱아치 셈 모루 모기 순신년 모기 아니 좀 따디기 뱅아치 아니라이 나치로 노디 시슈게나 다리 암트슬리치라도 나치기 데다 모다치가로 챌린지스 디술랍 데는 모기 데타 몽파나 나치로 차로 같이라 베게스 나치르기 파타 아무도 챌린지스 같이 베니 바 챌린지스 유미디스 모루 랍스랍 데르데 나치기 데타 누르스 디보다도 또 나치기 챌린지스 같이 두세 와친 데타 숲 두라 이게 갑나도 나치기 가든치 아니 나치르기 데 조니기 아니 베로 나치기 아티시 데타 아니 조마스와 예세 쇼돌라 아니 베올데텐 티모기 나치루 코캅치 데다 나로 파타 멘토 아니 지 커넥트 베베라 땡아치 부친게스 네베순데라 다니기 남스메 셈가 예세 쇼돌라